welcome to my holiday house tour. Come on in. The first room I want to show you is Terreeia's lounge. She did not want it to feel like an office anymore. So this is all the new millwork. We've just finished installing it and look at it. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it so much. I've been working on styling the shelves. We've got some bottle brush trees there. And it's just so sweet. So yeah, she wanted a couple of swivel chairs, her little TV, because we don't actually have a TV down here. So, and then we did a little custom desk. She wanted her desk to feel like a workstation and not like this big room that's all about the desk. We're actually having an open house today, so the kitchen isn't absolutely perfect. But I have some sweet little trees in the windows, and I've got my little floral for Christmas. And what do we have here? I think what we have here is a Yule log. So great. All right. Now, the living room. I'm not a red person, so you'll never see red in my house. It's the only color that is not kind of one of my favorite colors. Orangey reds, yes. Blue reds, no. So I've added some orange to the tree. That's my accent, orange and green. Terreeia loves the smell of a real tree, so that's what we did. And then I found these magnolia garlands, and I just love the way they fit the southern vibe of this living room with a little sparkly leaves and these little mini lights. They are my new Christmas light. I love them. You can get them in all kinds of colors. And I just love how easy they are to throw onto a garland. So yeah, then I've got my little poinsettia. This is my newly freshly painted dining room. Now, the whole room will be color drenched. The painter did not have time to do the entire ceiling. He just finished on Friday. But I'm crazy about the color. I love it so much. It just feels like the most beautiful garden, fresh green, and I love the way that it brings the outside in. We ended up going for a lighter color over the darker colors that I tested because of the white windows and the white blinds. It just feels fresher. If you want to know my new sunroom color, all of the colors in my house you can find inside my True Color Insider community. It is an amazing place where you can support each other. If you're working on projects, this is where you're gonna find your timeless people, okay? So you're gonna get your colors right, get your projects moving in the right direction. This is not a substitute for e-design, okay? But it's in addition to that, it's if you are ongoingly like most of us. I mean, we never get finished our projects, do we? Like, never. There's just always something new to paint, something new to refresh. I'm gonna show you my new laundry room color next. Okay, let's go down and see my favorite color right now in my laundry room. But before I show you my freshly painted laundry room, I have added a piece of art to the powder room since I saw you last. So this is a great little piece that I thought felt very French country, painted by a local artist. And what I love about this small little piece in here, small art on a big wall, like a focal point like this, it's like a whisper. So after I chose the coral for Wilma's Transition Society back in the spring when we did that project, my sister fell madly in love with it. She painted her laundry room the coral. And after I saw it, I was like, oh, I need something similar in mine because I didn't really love the green. I just painted it green because I happen to have a green area rug, and that's why the room went green. So I found a new rug, and then I pulled the apricot coral color from it. I love it so much. It just fills me with joy when I walk in. Of course, I have the little mudroom area all styled up. It now has to stay this way 24/7. Maybe a little difficult to do. And then I did a collaboration with Storex. And this is the fabulous storage room that they put together for me. Currently, I've got my coats somewhere else because we'll be having guests shortly. Okay, now I'm just taking you through to my primary bedroom and bath. Now, I recently got this bookshelf. I love it so much. And this is actually a piece of art that is painted by my director of e-design, Trisha Fermaniak. And I'm just real happy to have it on a spot here now in my hallway where it's not going to get faded. Obviously, I need a bunch more art, but that's a start. Okay, here we are in the primary bath. I still have shears coming for this room, so I already have the rod installed so I could take perfect measurements. That's a hot tip if you're getting custom drapes made and they have to be perfect. So my wife calls me a mole because I have sconces everywhere I can, and I never ever put the overheads on. There's one overhead in this bathroom and it's directly above the shower, okay? All right, since we just had my fall house tour, nothing much has changed in here. This room is still a work in progress. I'll need new bedding. I'm gonna upholster the headboard. Obviously I need new drapes, but these are just placeholders right now while I spend money on other things. So I'm using the drapes from my last house. So that's this room. All of the paint colors in my house, along with so much more. My mood board course is included. At the second level, you can get access to over 70 hours of decorating school, which is amazing if you want to learn just all the ins and outs, how to make your house look amazing, how to choose colors for everything in your home. I'll link to that below, and I hope you enjoyed the tour, and I'll see you next time.